2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you, I just care about me. So you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it fall. Run back home.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey. I am a 23-year-old business owner. I own an online boutique named Milk and Honey. I vlog every single week and I take you on a little behind the scenes of what it's like to be a business owner. And today we are doing a photo shoot from home, you know, with coronavirus and everything. It's just hard to be in a studio and with like all of like a crew and everything. So we've been trying to do it at home. We have like full equipment, which you saw me set up. Did I charge the camera? I hope I charged the camera. Okay, anyways, that scared me. Yeah, we're gonna just have a full photo shoot day. It's like 12 o'clock right now, so hopefully we end by the time the sun starts to go down. And that's about it. I'm just gonna take you on a little behind the scenes and show you what the do is, okay? So let's go. This is our layout of clothes in order of like, I'll go one, or the one I have on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These have the same pants. I mean, same shirt, different pants. Okay, I apologize for the quality change. I hope you guys don't mind if I vlog on my phone today because I only have one SIM card available right now that I need to put in the camera that we're using to shoot. But I just put on my lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. I'm waiting for it to dry and then I'm gonna put on. I just got this 8-Hour Infallible Pro Gloss from L'Oreal Paris, just like a drugstore one that I saw at Rite Aid yesterday when I was there because I've been needing a new like colored gloss. So just trying this, seeing how it does. This is a first look. We've had this for a while, but some stuff that's on the site that we have like the wholesale picture up, I like to put a picture of me so that it just looks a little bit more uniformed. I don't know why my mirror looks so dirty. It doesn't look like that in person, but this is the look. The Cleo jumpsuit, so cute. So this is the first look and then we'll continue on. For the matte lipstick, I used the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Trendsetter. I love this one. And then like in the middle of my lips where it's a little bit more pink, I did this Maybelline New York in Seductress. I love this, is like my duo of choice. And then we're gonna try to add this too, a little pink gloss. Not a lot comes out on the like thing though. Oh, what is it? I don't know. See, like it barely does anything. I don't know if I like this one. It feels like I have to use a lot to get a little result. Like after I put a lot, I'm like, yeah, that looks good. But I don't want to have to put that much. All right, I'm gonna go put some music on. If you know me, you know I love country music, so we're gonna listen to some country gems today. I hope everyone's okay with that. My little sister hates country music, but listen. This is my shoot, okay?
Let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you, I just worry about me. So you better run, run. You don't know what I mean. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you, I just care about me.
I got a little lightheaded just now. That's the clip you just saw, and I had to eat an apple because I didn't eat yet today and it didn't have coffee. Starbucks. I'm going to Starbucks after this. Don't tell anyone. Say hi to the peoples. I love you so much, guys. All right, we're gonna shoot this one, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left. Okay, 3 down, 6 to go. Pretty good.
I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it fall. Run back home to mama, let's go. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy.
These boots are iconic. Every time I post a picture with them, it becomes my most liked picture on Instagram. Fun fact. The schoolgirl look. Oh, fix my hair. Okay. Almost done. We have this sweatsuit and then the pink one. And we'll be all done. Earrings, necklace. This one's so cute. Very Valentine's Day vibes.
Lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it fall. Run back home to mama, let's go.
Okay, I'm at Starbucks and I don't know what I should get. A chai or blonde latte? Drinking beer, talking God, amen.
Hi, this is Trinity Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I have a grande iced chai latte?
Okay.
And that's it. All right, looks like I went for the chai. Gonna put my mask on. For some reason, my mask looks really good today. I mean, I love this mask always, but today just is like extra shiny. It matches. I think because I have all black on, and then the mask is like black sparkles. Whole freaking vibe. And then we ordered pizza. Well, my mom's on a fast actually. I don't know how she does it every single time. She does fast like once a month. It's crazy. Fast, smoothie cleanses, like all that stuff. But she's doing that, so she can't eat. But me and my sister, I didn't feel like cooking. She didn't feel like cooking, so we're just gonna order pizza, or we ordered pizza. I'm gonna pick it up. And I also, oh, take this off. There's like 2 cars in front of me. Ordered new, I didn't realize I was completely out of poly mailers. Yikes. So I ordered new ones on, I think, Saturday or Sunday, and they're still not here yet. It said it would take 2 days, so I thought at least by Wednesday it would get here, but it's still not here. But I just have 3 orders that I have to pack, so I'm gonna go to Staples and they have a pack of just like 5 poly mailers. They're not eco-friendly, which I hate, but at least it's only 5, so I can just like use them for this to get these orders out, because I don't know when the poly mailers I ordered will be here that are eco-friendly. So I'm gonna run to Staples, get that, and then go pick up the pizza and head home. Got the chai. Let's see if it was worth it. It was worth it. It's so good. The view over here by Staples always looks so good. The mountains are so clear. The sunset. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm trying to run in and run out because I'm starving and I'm just ready to eat some pizza and cheesy garlic knots. Am I right? I just need like 14.5 by 19. Oh, this one. Wait, bubble? I don't need bubble mailers. Oh gosh. Oh, here we go. That's the one. Okay, let's see. Bubbles. I wanted to get a bigger one, but oh, they fold over. I was like, this is not 14.5 by 19, but it folds, that's why. Okay, cool.
Too damn late to apply, so I lost my place in the line to the house of shake, where I was hoping to find a babe. Yeah. 225 lucky stars on a cheap visit price for this guy who's giving me what I like. When I slide on a beat while we hide.
Got the goods. We have garlic knots and pizza. Some of you guys might know, but obviously there's like new people here, so hey. I'm from New York originally, born and raised my whole life until I was 17 years old. Yada yada yada. If you want a little like story time about how I moved to California, let me know. But obviously New York has the best pizza. It's like not debatable. Like we're not even gonna have that conversation here. If you want to have that conversation, you can go elsewhere. But anyways, New York has the best pizza. In California, you can't find pizza like New York, but this pizza, Amici Pizza in Glendale, I think they have other locations too, but I go to the one in Glendale. So good. It's the closest found our New York pizza. Okay, I'm back home, but I want to go downstairs at the garage and check to see if the TV is in there. Again, if you saw the last vlog, you know that my TV completely fell over and broke. So I think we have an extra one in storage, just like a small one. So I'm gonna go check in storage and see if it's there. It's so scary in here. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. That teddy bear. Moment of truth, ours is right there. All right, abort mission. Okay, it wasn't there, but we have another, oh look at the pool. We have another storage unit in the basement. All right, this came to our storage unit here, and definitely not down here, so. Might just be watching TV on my computer, and it's okay.
Let it ride on my face, yeah. Can't hear the star killer bass, yeah. It don't matter.
Was listening to the Morning Toast. I become obsessed with that podcast and I missed the episode today. I have the new LA set on. I'm going to end the vlog here. I took off all my makeup and everything. I'm just gonna eat, lay down, maybe edit some photos. So I'll include at the end of this a few of the edited photos that I have, so you can kind of get a little sneak peek. Comment down below and let me know after you see these pictures which picture or which outfit was your favorite. And with that, I bid you farewell. Look at how scrumptious my bed looks. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, God bless. Mwah. Bye. Baby, it's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my light.